हालींच न्ही कर्नाटक सरकारान जे एक हे काढला रूल काढलेलो की जस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन प्रायव्हेट सेक्टर ओनली फॉर कन्नडिगाज इन कर्नाटका. सो तुमचे हेजेर कितें म्हणणे आहा, कारण कर्नाटकातले खूब लोक गोंयान आसा आनी हांगा कामांकूय आसा. सो तुमचे ओपिनियन कितें हेजेर?
ऑन दीस माय ओपिनियन म्हाका दिसता ते मातशी रॉंग आसा. कित्याक थंयसून आमी हांगा येवन काम करतात तशेंच हांगातले लोक or any other state should be given an opportunity to work. So it is not a right part on their part to make it only for Canadians.
Okay. So it should change.
Change. It should change, and we are all Indians.
Correct.
Yeah. And they should give the priority to them. It cannot be that only Canadians should be employed.
ओके. आनी तुमी सिद्धरामय्या हांकां मेळिल्ले न्ही, ते काल हांगाच्यान थंय गेल्ले लँडस्लायड अंकोला थंय. सो कितें उलोवप बी जालें?
काय तशें उलोवप जावना. I just went to receive and meet him.
ओके. सो तुमचे मत आसा की दॅट शुड नॉट कंटिन्यू, दे शुड चेंज दॅट?
They should change in that whatever they have made recommendation for only Kannadigas, because Kannadigas are all over India and Goa also, where they get employment here on priority. Same way there should be, it is vice versa.
सो यू आर नॉट वेलकमिंग दिस मूव ऑफ कर्नाटका?
No, not at all, because it is a wrong decision.
सो तुमी कितें हे बीन तांकां निवेदन बी दितले कोणाक बी अशें की मातशें
If required, we will give one memorandum to the state, Karnataka state,
गव्हर्नमेंट?
saying that it should be considered for all.
Not only for Karnataka, but it will affect in Goa also, na?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Then this state will also bring there that only Goans should be employed. Then what about Kannadigas who are here? So it should be both amicably, vice versa.
Vice versa. Even in state of Goa also, some legislators are demanding that private jobs should reserve only for, not 100%, but major percentage should reserve for Goans.
Yeah.
So you agree for that, or what is your opinion on that?
My opinion should be that priority should be given to Goans,
Okay.
not reservation. Priority. Goans should be given priority, and rest whatever is there should be given to everybody.
Everybody.
So it should be like that. My opinion.
So this is your opinion.